I need a break from the work, need a break from the world, need a break from my girl. She doing too much, cause I've been going hard and I never even got any kind of peace of mind. I'm doing too much.
The thing that kept me up is making the dinero. Tryna take a beat that got me twisted like tornado. Weekend coming up, so I know that I'm okay though. One night off, I know I'm losing a few gas though.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then we come to Friday. Friday to Sunday, then back on next Monday. Point me to the drink, point me to the drugs. I might pass out tonight, so what? Point me to the dank and give me all the hugs. I'ma help your girl get right, so what? Point me to the drink, point me to the drugs. I might pass out tonight, so what? Point me to the dank and give me all the hugs. I'ma help your girl get right, so what? And I've been keeping my head down, I'm making the plays now. They tried to close the doors, but I'm making the way now. Cause weekdays aren't for the weak, strong days are for the long game. Sorry, but 2K's the wrong game. But I can never wait to get away though. I don't play with money like it's Play-Doh. I'ma scoop your girl, I'ma lay though. Give her a long piece, she never stay though. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.